Now, on to verifying the identity. So what we have to do is we have to keep one side the same as it starts and then make the other side equal to it. So our first problem is sine x plus cosine x cotangent x equals cosecant x. I'm going to keep cosecant x the same. So I'll just do sine x plus, first I'm going to simplify this cosine and cotangent. So cosine x and cotangent is cosine over sine equals cosecant x. So sine x equals, this will be cosine squared x over sine x equals cosecant x. Then we are going to, sorry, that's a plus. We are going to get a common denominator here on the left side so we can simplify everything. So that means I have to multiply this sine x by sine x over sine x. That'll give me sine squared x over sine x plus cosine squared x over sine x equals cosecant x. Now, what you can do is sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. That is our Pythagorean identity, and that'll just be 1 over sine of x equals cosecant of x. 1 over sine x is equal to cosecant of x, so cosecant x equals cosecant x. That is correct. We just proved that identity. Now, let's do our next problem. 1 plus cosine x divided by sine x plus sine x divided by 1 plus cosine x equals 2 cosecant x. Again, I'm going to keep this right side the same of 2 cosecant x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a common denominator, meaning that this first 1 plus cosine x over sine x has to be multiplied by 1 plus cosine x over 1 plus cosine x, and sine x divided by 1 plus cosine x has to be multiplied by sine x over sine x, because that's just multiplied by 1, so it's not really changing anything. So this 1 plus cosine x times 1 plus cosine x, and then it'll all be under the same denominator, so then it's like sine x times sine x, and we know that equals 2 cosecant x, and this is all over sine times 1 plus cosine x. Now, we're just going to distribute all these FOIL. So 1 times 1 is 1, plus 2 cosine x plus cosine squared x, and then sine x times sine x is sine, that'll be 2, oh no, sine x times sine x, yes, is sine squared x divided by sine of 1 plus cosine x. That got really messy there. So we know cosine squared x plus sine squared x is Pythagorean identity, so that is equal to 1. So we have 1 plus 2 cosine x. So 2 plus 2 cosine x divided by sine 1 plus cosine x. Now, what we can do is we have to find a way to get rid of, so cosecant is 1 over sine. So we know this sine will stay in the denominator, but we have to find a way to get rid of this 1 plus cosine x. And what I see we can do next is take out a GCF, our greatest common factor, from the numerator, which would be a 2. So let's start with that. We'll take a 2 out, and that'll be 1 plus cosine x. See, because that'll be 2 plus 2 cosine x over sine 1 plus cosine x, and then that cancels. So now we have 2 over sine. That's the same thing as saying 2 times cosecant. So this is 2 cosecant x equals 2 cosecant x. So thank you for watching and getting through this video, and I hope it was helpful.